Alerts are an important part of Spider Impact to help address any issues that may arise as quickly as possible. There are 4 types of alerts available: a user subscription alert, an initiative task or milestone alert, a broadcast alert, and a global system-wide alert. Thankfully, each of these have already been defined in my environment. At the top of the alerts list is a user subscription alert, which is alerting me that total gross profit has dipped to a score of 0 in September. I can click on it to investigate it further. From the detail, I can see that for the past year it was performing well, but for whatever reason completely tanked in the month of September. At the bottom, I see that I've already posted a note on this and asked for more information on what is going on. For now, I'll move on and click Home. Once I've read an alert, it will be removed from the home page. If I want to bring it back, I need to click on Alerts or Show All Alerts. The alert is currently showing in the Alert History section, where I can either let it sit forever, or I could mark it as unread or delete it. I'll click Mark as unread and then return to the home page by clicking Welcome. I see that the alert is nicely placed back in its original order. Moving down the list, I see an example of an initiative, task, or milestone alert. From here, I can see that the total budget was changed from $175,000 to $150,000. To get more details, I can click on it. In the top left, if I hover over the alert, I can see that it was me that made the change, so I'm perfectly content with this change at this point. I'll click Home and investigate the other 2 alerts. The third alert is a broadcast alert. It hopefully contains some important information. In this case, it's just me announcing that the total gross profit has dipped in September. So I'll ignore that and move down to the next alert, which happens to be an example of a system-wide alert. In this case, it's a reply to a note. This is great news in that it's not any reply, it's the reply that I've been waiting on for the total gross profit KPI that tanked in September. I can see that Tom responded, but unfortunately doesn't know what has gone wrong and is still researching. While he researches, I'll move on to showing how to build an alert from scratch. If I want to create a user subscription alert on a particular KPI, I need to navigate to it. I'll go to Scorecards, expand Financial, increase Revenue, and select Product Revenue. In the top right, there's an alerts icon that I can click and select Edit Alerts. I'll select Add and choose from a list of 3 things that I can be alerted on: a score change, KPI value change, or a note being added. I'll choose score change and enter 3.33 to be alerted whenever the score dips to that value or below and into the red. I'll select Save and note that in the top right, the alerts icon has turned blue. If I change my mind, I can click Alerts, Edit Alert, and click the trash can to delete it and select Save. If I wanted to create an initiative, task, or milestone alert, I'll select Initiatives on the left. If I wanted to add an alert on Migrate servers to cloud, I would click on it and then select Edit. I need to introduce some type of change, like the total budget being dropped to $100,000. When I do that, a Notify Assigned Users and Groups of Changes appears in the bottom right. I can check that and click Save to alert those users, in this case Frank. Since I don't want to alert myself at this point, I'll just select Cancel. If I wanted to create a broadcast alert, I have to start by selecting Administration in the bottom left. Under Users and Groups, I'd select Send Broadcast Alert. I would type a message, select the user or group to send the alert to. In this case, I'll just choose myself. And the last step would be to select Send Broadcast Alert. Once again, I'll just select Cancel. If I wanted to create a system-wide alert, under Configuration, I would select Application Administration. On the left-hand side, I can set up system-wide alerts that get triggered dependent upon certain activity, like a note being replied to, or when a KPI turns red. In this case, I've already set up system-wide triggers for when a note is replied to, which is why I saw the alert from Tom when he responded to my message on total gross profit. Lastly, if I want to manage the alerts I've subscribed to, I can select My Alerts. From here, I can edit or delete my existing subscriptions.